It really restricts what the Word of God tells us to do.
A Champaign pastor feels his right to hold church services is being violated, so he's taking the issue to federal court. He also runs a social service organization that provides clothes, shoes, and other essentials, but it has a cap of 10 people gathering because of its ties to religion. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Roscoe. The pastor is suing Governor Pritzker. WCIA3's Courtney Bunting explains why.
We feel like it's kind of a direct attack on the Word of God.
For Pastor Dustin Brown, his decision to sue Governor Pritzker is not about his ministry specifically. It's about fairness. Brown is the pastor of a church in Champaign called The Table. He's also the executive director of Jesus House Restoration Ministries, which helps economically challenged people. His congregation started meeting outside when the stay-at-home order took effect.
At that time, we were in Westside Park, and we did that because we were trying to be in as much concordance with the executive order as we could.
But the Public Health District eventually filed a cease and desist order against them.
Champaign Police Department worked with us actually very well. 2 different sergeants, and both of those sergeants just said, hey, you know, you're killing me because you're in the park. I know what you're trying to do. We're not really against you, but you got to get a private venue will help a whole lot.
Brown got permission to move services here to the parking lot of Rogers Supply Company off Washington Street. He says everyone attending is staying 6 feet away from each other.
A couple songs, preach a word, we offer prayer, and then we open up and we serve a hot meal.
But the health district says those gatherings still fall outside their guidelines, which now limit religious services to 10 people, even outdoors. However, Brown feels the standard for his services should be the same way as they are with other social service organizations, which he says allow more than 10 to gather. Brown's attorney filed a lawsuit on his behalf, saying the standard should be the same for all.
Daytime drop-in centers and shelters and things like that, they're doing the exact same thing. The only difference between us and them is we're preaching the Word of God.
In Champaign, Courtney Bunting, WCIA3, your local news leader.
The governor has until tomorrow to come up with a response to that lawsuit. Now, Pritzker's Phase 3 reopening plan does include the option for churches to have drive-in services. Public Health has been requesting churches submit ideas on how they can operate safely. We have more information about the pastor's lawsuit on our website.